Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 200 question of language, basic concept, theories, pedagogy and English in use. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 38 up to part 1 and 2. This is part 3. So these questions are very important for competitive exam. तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के इंग्लिश से क्वेश्चन जानना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारे आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 39। क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 है commands, questions and visual cues are used to prompt oral response in the target language where no grammar explanation or modeling is necessary. So these are four options here. Option A, direct method. Option B, grammar translation method. Option C, communicative language teaching. And option D, none of the above. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this one is on direct method. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 40. Learners are directed towards unrehearsed language performance in the target language. Authentic materials and real life situation are included. Option A, direct method. Option B, audio lingual method. Option C, communicative languages teaching. And option D, none of the above. None of the above. So which one is the correct answer? Option C, communicative language teaching. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 41. Which is a question teachers should consider first when developing assessment? Which is question number 41. Which is a question teachers should consider first when developing assessment? Option A, how many questions to write for the test? Option B, when should the test be given? Option C, why are the students being assessed? Option D, what kind of questions should be on the test? So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of question number 41 is C. Why are the C, why are the student being assessed? Options question 41 option C is the correct answer. Now question number 42. Students learn English by translating to and from their native languages. They memorize irregular verb for forms by writing them down over and over. Speaking skill are not speaking skills are not yes, they memorize writing them down. Speaking skill are not a main focus. Option A, the communicative approach. Option B, the audiolingual method. Option C, the grammar translation method. And option D, none of the above. None of the above. So option C, the grammar translation method is the correct answer. Now question number 43. Which is an example of reliability problem? Reliability problem. Option A, listening test there requires strong reading skills to perform. Option B, a rubric that is confusing to the teacher scoring performance. Option C, test items that are numbered incorrectly. And option D, using both multiple choice and performance in a test. So the correct answer is the option B, rubric that is confusing to the teacher's scoring performance. Now question number 44. Students listen to dialogue between a taxi driver and a passenger. They fill in gaps and then practice a dialogue with a partner. Tomorrow they will go outside and practice asking for directions. Option A, the silent way. Option B, the communicative approach. Option C, immersion. And option D, none of the above. None of the above. So option B or option B of 45. Again the question is option B, the communicative approach. Students listen to a dialogue. Yes. Students listen to a dialogue between a taxi driver and passenger. They fill in gaps and then practice a dialogue with a partner. Tomorrow they will go outside and practice asking for directions. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B. Option B, the communicative approach. इस चीज़ को बताते हैं कम्युनिकेटिव अप्रोच. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. व्हाट इज बेनिफिट ऑफ यूजिंग असेसमेंट फॉर लर्निंग? What is benefit of using assessment for learning? Option A, student build self awareness about their learning. Option B, teachers save time by having students write tests. Option C, the course curriculum can be separated from assessment. And option D, it emphasizes communicative language teaching. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A. Students build self-awareness about their learning. Now question number 46. The teacher only uses English, but the student can use English or their first language. The teacher does not correct mistake when his student speak English. Student can start speaking English when they are ready. When they are ready. So these four options are here. First, yes. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है द नेचुरल अप्रोच. ऑप्शन बी टास्क बेस्ड लर्निंग. ऑप्शन सी द लेक्सिकल सिलेबस. एंड ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ द above. None of the above. So which one is the correct answer? Correct answer is option A, the natural approach. Option A is the correct answer. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. So listen these questions again and again. Which is not an example of assessment for learning? Option A, working as a whole. Working as a whole class to score sample speaking performance using a rubric. Option B, asking student to define what good listening skill are in a second language. Option C, explaining to students that their final exam will be the major part of their grade. Option C, letting student indicate how well they have understood the material is an assigned chapter. तो यहाँ पे हमको बताना है विच इज नॉट एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ असेसमेंट. सो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. दैट ऑप्शन सी explaining the student that their final exam will be the major part of their grade. Now question number 48. The student learn patterns of language by repeating model sentences that the teacher provide. They memorize set phrases and receive positive reinforcement from their teacher when they perform drills correctly. Option A, the communicative approach. Option B, the audiolingual method. Option C, total physical response. And option D, none of the above. None of the above. So option B, the audiolingual method. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 49. Which of these terms refers to the study of speech process? Which of these terms refer to the study of speech process? Option A, phonology. Option B, phonetic substance. Option C, phonetics. And option C, semantics. Semantics. So option C, phonetics is the correct answer. Phonetics terms refers to the study of speech process. Now question number 50. Now question number 50. What is essential to acquire a good pronunciation in English language? What is essential to acquire a good pronunciation in English language? Option A lot of conscious efforts. Option B, a lot of systematic efforts. Option C, a lot of regular practice. And option D, all of the above. All of the above. So, option B, a lot of systematic efforts is the correct answer. Option B, a lot of systematic efforts. Now question number 51. The number of diphthongs in English sound is. The number of diphthongs in English sound is option A 12, option B 8, option C 44 and option D 20. So the correct answer is option C 44. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 52. डिप्थोंग इज ए. डिप्थोंग क्या है? ऑप्शन ए प्योर वॉवेल साउंड. ऑप्शन बी प्योर कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. ऑप्शन सी वॉवेल vowel glides or mixed vowel sounds. Option D, none of the above. None of the above. So the correct answer is option C, vowel glides or mixed vowel sounds. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Yes. Now question number 53. A blackboard cannot be used for. blackboard किसके लिए यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं? improvement of paragraph. Option B, making report based on information. Option C, show schematic diagrams. And option D, summary of relationship between facts. Between facts. So which one is the correct answer? Option B. Option B, making report based on information. Blackboard cannot be used for making reports based on information. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 57. 54, sorry. 54. The example of consonant cluster is. The example of consonant cluster is option A C, option B guard, option C guilty and option D play. So option D play is the correct answer. Now question number 55. Which the following does not belong to the basic component of speech? Option A stress, option B rhythm, option C genre, option D intonation. Option D intonation. So option C genre is the correct answer. दिस इज सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो डियर फ्रेंड्स. यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन जब भी अपलोड हो तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके. Most of the universities in India, option A, conduct teaching and research only. Option B, affiliate colleges and conduct examinations. Option C, conduct teaching, research and examinations. Option D, promote research only. Promote research only. So option C, conduct teaching, research and examination is the correct answer. Now question number last question of this video. Which of these is not type of phonetics? इनमें से कौन से जो हैं टाइप ऑफ फोनेटिक्स नहीं हैं? आर्टिकुलेटरी, ऑप्शन बी पर्सनल, ऑप्शन सी एकोस्टिक एंड ऑप्शन डी ऑडिटरी. ऑडिटरी. सो which one is the option B personal is the correct answer. Personal of these is not type of phonetics. So these are some questions. Thank you for watching this video, dear friends.